Hi, my name is Juliana Barco, and I'm going to tell you about the problems along with the solutions of teenage loitering in Bel Air, Maryland. The focus is going to be on teens around the age of 13 to 17 and how their actions affect the neighboring stores, shops, and other public locations. The town of Bel Air, Maryland is the county seat of Harford County. It is approximately 500 square miles and has a population of about 250,000 people. The town is composed of both rural and city-like atmospheres. The student population is around 11,000 students. Loitering has been a problem in Harford County for as long as one can remember. Because public transportation has become more prevalent, it is easy for teens to get to these locations. Loitering has been at an all-time high because many parents are more relaxed about letting their kids go out by themselves. Along with parents becoming more relaxed, many attractions have grown. For example, the White Marsh Mall, located in Harford County, is now home to a large food court, a multiplex cinema, and a bouncy house. These places are catchy to a teen and slowly attracts groups. When it comes to loitering, the basic assumption is that it only occurs at large places. This is false. The same problem occurs at convenience stores, small shops, and even parking lots at fast food restaurants. McDonald's is one location that has had many issues in the past few years. I work at a snowball stand right behind the McDonald's, as pictured on the screen. We have had many issues with teens outside in the parking lot, cussing, leaving trash, and being rude. Many fights have broken out and the police have been called to McDonald's multiple times. We have also had many customer complaints. Along with our small shop being affected, the same problem occurs at the mall and around the town shops. Business rates are decreasing because customers don't want to be around these people. Another issue is that shoplifting rates have also increased. Because of teens out in these locations, they are not always on their best behavior. Crime breaks out. Crime in physical ways is a big problem. Sometimes fights happen, and other times it is issues such as littering or graffiti. Vandalism is also an issue too. The problem needs to be addressed for many reasons. Businesses are getting less customers because of the vulgar and rude people around. They are loitering in front of these places, which brings it down. Trash is often left outside. This not only puts the business in danger, but it puts the customer in danger as well. There are 3 main solutions that could be used to solve these problems. Solutions as simple as no loitering signs can be helpful in some places, but other places may require a little more effort and planning in order to keep everyone safe. The first solution seems quite simple. Increasing the use of video surveillance in public locations is a way to scare off teens. Teens that see a camera in a store are less likely to try and shoplift. Teens that see cameras outside are also less likely to vandalize the location. Different types of video surveillance has been used in subways, living complexes, highways, tunnels, parking garages, public locations, and large facilities. The new surveillance system allows for police to be notified with a suspicion of burglary or a suspicion of loitering. The new motion monitoring system, IPS, detects loitering in a specific way. If a person or object is in or remains in a certain zone or position for longer than a desired time, an alert will be sent. The time in the zone and the time in the location is measured separate, and the police are notified right away. Another solution that helps solve loitering is to keep businesses and surrounding areas clean. Picking up litter and cleaning off graffiti is pleasing to the eye. A teen that is looking for trouble is less likely to locate themselves somewhere that is clean and looks as if it could be somewhat fancy. The broken window theory, founded by George Kelling, is a theory that has been tested and secured. The theory states that cleaning up visual signs of disorder prevents more serious problems with teens like loitering. Something that is clearly neglected can become a quick target no matter what neighborhood it is in. A simple act of uncleanliness, such as graffiti, trash, or broken items, can send a signal that the place is a valid location for teens because it quote-unquote can be destroyed more and they won't get caught doing it. This is directly related to crime. The last solution is to increase police activity on corners, in stores, and around public locations. Like malls and parks, when teens see police, they are less likely to act out because they don't want to get in major trouble. Police are involved with teens already, however, they don't always go through with punishments. They don't always give correct disciplinary actions. Police activity that is increased by 20% decreases teen issues by 10%. Juveniles are generally not arrested for disorderly conduct. 25% are caught and only 5% are held responsible. The solution of adding surveillance, cleaning up public locations, and increasing police activity all go hand in hand. They all 3 work to decrease crime, shoplifting, and most importantly, loitering. Although the cost of the three solutions may not be the cheapest, they allow for a cleaner, safer, and friendlier environment. The town of Bel Air has two choices. They can take initiative and adapt these solutions, or they can accept the solutions, and teen activities will begin to get out of hand. By not accepting, the town crime and loitering rates will increase tremendously. By picking up one of the proposed solutions, the negative actions and impacts will decrease.